Understanding in a fix. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive deep into a common English phrase that you might hear in conversations, movies, or books. The phrase is, in a fix. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. In a fix might sound like someone is repairing something, right? But in English, phrases don't always mean what they literally say. This is what makes language both interesting and sometimes a bit challenging. So, let's unravel the mystery. In a fix is an idiomatic expression. When someone says they are in a fix, they're not talking about repairing anything. Instead, they're saying that they're in a difficult or tricky situation. It's a way to express that they're facing a problem or challenge that isn't easy to resolve. Imagine being stuck in a maze and not knowing the way out. That's being in a fix. It's always easier to understand with examples, right? Here we go. 1. I forgot my passport at home, and my flight is in 2 hours. I'm really in a fix now. 2. She realized she had double-booked her appointments for the day. She was definitely in a fix. There are other ways to express the same idea in English. Here are a few synonyms for in a fix. In a jam, in a tight spot, in a bind, in hot water. Each of these phrases can be used in similar contexts, highlighting that someone is facing a dilemma or challenging situation. So, the next time you hear someone say they're in a fix, you'll know they're not talking about repair work but a tricky situation they're facing. English is full of such intriguing idioms, and every time you learn one, you're one step closer to mastering the language. We hope this explanation has been clear and helpful. Keep learning and stay curious.